Man proposes and God disposes. And rightly so. We might think we have complete control on our life, but some unforeseen events happen to change our life and make it topsy-turvy. Nature's wrath is one such anomaly which can change one's life. Today at Simply Chumma, we are going to take nature's wrath and talk about flood incidents which were caught on camera. We want to list this out mainly to warn people and tell them to be careful wherever they go. Viewers' discretion is advised as this may have some disturbing visuals. This is not a countdown, we are just listing out the 5 incidents. Number 5. Narmada Picnic Nightmare. 1 minute of happiness can change in a matter of minutes, and that's exactly what happened. When 3 friends were playing and taking bath in the waters of the river Narmada, when the water started rising and they were stranded midway. But they kept their composure and some swift rescue efforts saved these 3 youngsters.
आप देख सकते हैं ये रेस्क्यू किस तरह से किया गया इन लोगों को। रेस्क्यू टीम के जो सदस्य हैं वो रस्सी का सहारा लेकर किस तरह से इन तीनों को एक एक करके बचा रहे हैं। तीनों की जान आफत में फंसी थी और इस तरह से देखिए किस तरह से एक लड़की को यहाँ पर बचाया जा रहा है। सबसे पहले 2 लड़की और 1 लड़का यहाँ पर थे, लेकिन पहली लड़की को किस तरह से बचाया गया आप देख सकते हैं बड़ी मुश्किल से। और ये दूसरी लड़की है जिसे इसी तरह से रेस्क्यू की टीम ने बचाया और आखिरकार लड़के को इस मझधार से बाहर निकाल कर आए।
Number 4. 3-year-old saved from the rapid flood in Madhya Pradesh. A 3-year-old boy got stranded in a small rock and the water started increasing. No one had any clue on how the boy was trapped, but the boy was brave and intelligently did not move an inch. People gathered and were trying to figure out how to rescue him. Just then he slipped and was washed away by the water. But some quick action by the local youth helped save the boy ultimately, and he was brought to the shore.
પણ ગ્રામજનોએ હિંમત ન હારી અને નદીમાં ઝંપલાવ્યું અને તરતા તરતા માસૂમ સુધી તે પહોંચવામાં સફળ થયા. અનેક પ્રયાસ બાદ તેઓ આ માસૂમની જિંદગી બચાવવામાં સફળ રહ્યા.
Number 3. Narmada River sudden flood. 23 stranded. A drought, a river which was not there a few minutes ago, and suddenly the water started gushing in. People who were trying to cross the river were stranded on a nearby rock and in a small temple stupa. But army men were quick to respond to the situation as 2 individuals risked their life to save 23 people who were trapped. But sadly, one elderly lady was washed away by the river. 24 engineering students from Hyderabad washed away in Himachal Pradesh. Not many can forget this incident. India does not have many safety equipments when in emergency. The local authorities opened a dam and were unable to properly communicate or signal it to all the people who were by the river enjoying. Due to this safety misfire, many students got trapped in that gushing river. Some luckily escaped, but 24 students were not lucky enough and were washed away by the rampaging tides. Never underestimate nature and always be careful. Things like these can happen to anyone. Do understand nature and respect it. Write to us if you have any videos in mind for our Simply Chumma channel.